Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. Don't mind my eye. I'm having an eye infection. It's a little bit red because the place is too hot for my eyes, and that's why my eyes are really dry. And my eye drops, like I said, I have to go and look for a doctor, but it's not an emergency right now. Anyway, so today I want to do this video to show you a place where I'm living. And before I continue with that, I want to tell you guys, because I said I didn't expect something from KRA when I was landing here in Kenya. The thing is, when I landed here in Kenya, things went perfect. You understand? Things went perfect. Nobody asked me anything, and it was just awesome. So the only thing you have to do, don't put electronics on your handbags, because the KRA, they're going to check electronics in your handbag. So that's something you have to avoid. Don't put any electronics on your handbag. Anyway guys, let's go straight to the video. So the first thing you need to know, you have to know when you're going to travel. So for example, if you're traveling on a certain date, you have to go to download the Airbnb app, and then that's where you're gonna be looking for a place where you want to stay and near to where you want to live. Because I thought of coming near the airport, because I'm not staying long in Kenya, and that's why I just said let me just go and book somewhere here near the airport. But the thing is that the place is awesome. It has everything that you need in the house, but yeah, it is too far from the city, you know. I realize most of these places, I've been looking at the reviews from many places. Many people are complaining the B&Bs are too far from the road, too far from the town, and it's true. Like even here where I'm staying, it is it is too far from the town. I normally take my Bolt. I normally take Bolt or taxi, and let's say in 30 minutes or 40 minutes I'll be in town. So that is too far for me. Or even 40 even 1 hour, I'll be in town in 1 hour's time. So I've been here for 5 days, and I'm gonna take you around so that you see everything in this house. For example, if you wanna book in the same place where I am right now, I can give you also the I can show you where I booked, and so that you can contact that person. I don't want to give you the person's number in case anything doesn't go well, you start complaining to me. I'm gonna send you to the same app and the same name of that person, so that you can book there if in case something doesn't work well between the two of you, so that you can, one person or either one of you can report each other. You understand? So let's go straight to the video, and I show you the place and everything about the house. Seated here, never mind the bed. The bed was beautiful. So this, when you come inside here in this house, this is how you find the bed. It is a very beautiful bed, a very big one, a very comfy. If you sleep here, you don't feel like waking up. The only disadvantage you have is the pillows. Pillows for the neck, they are too big for the neck. Like they are so thick. Maybe if you're a pillow person, you love it, but for me, I don't prefer very thick pillows like this one. It is very hard for the neck. So when you go up here, this is how the wall look like up there. It's okay. I don't have any issues with the wall. The wallpaper is also there. It's beautiful. And also you have the mosquito net, but the disadvantage about this net is that it had some holes. And here, whenever you put the carpet, the net here is open. You understand? So when you put it a little bit, it will be open like this. And there are high chances of mosquito getting in, but right now we don't have mosquitoes in this house. So this is something that it just needs to rectify. Even if you look up there, there's a place where it is torn. I'm gonna go to the other side so that you can see. There's a place which is kaput here, up here, as you can see. There's a place here which is not okay. So I hope you can see what I'm saying here. Otherwise, the windows, yeah, the windows, you have a view of seeing outside. Let me open the window. You can see outside there, the gate, that's the gate. And yeah, so security, I can say it's just okay. I can't say it is perfect, but it's just okay. We have a watchman here who stays here 24 hours. So they come to work in exchange, in shift. So the curtains are really beautiful. That is something I must say. The curtains are really beautiful. And we also have another chair there. So if you're the two of you here, you have a naktish. What you call naktish in English? There's a kabati there for one person, but here we don't have any drawer for any person. Anyway, that is not more important for me. And also we have an ironing board here. I just put my son's suitcase here and some towel. But yeah, this is the floor. is the tiles. It's not a carpet, this is tiles. And then I find these ones to be so weak. Hope you can see here, it's almost getting off. It's so weak. Whenever you want to iron the clothes, this thing will want to come out. So I don't like it at all. That's something I don't like. This also has nice lampe, like, how do you call it, lampe? A nice star. Guys, I'm so much confused with German, so my English is very bad. So this is the kabachi, as you can see. This is the shrunk. So the shrunk is also not that new. And here, like you see, I just put some things inside here, and our suitcase and our jacket. And then they put for us towels here and bed sheets. They gave us enough towels to use. Let me open this door so that you can open the towel door. Here, as you can see, we had towels here, like 4 or 5 of them. That's enough. And down here we had bed sheets, but I've just changed today because until today I've not seen anybody who is supposed to clean this place. So, and then here we have a place where you can put your dirty clothes inside. Like now I can just open and put my dirty clothes inside there. So, and then we have a nice mirror. We have a nice mirror over here, as you can see, guys. And yeah, so this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Let me now go to the bathroom. Well, from here you can see it is very beautiful, but let us go to the other side. You can see this is another mirror over here, and then you go straight here to the bathroom, and it's a combined bathroom and toilet. My mom has done here cleaning because until now we have not seen anybody who's coming here to clean, and my mom had to clean this place. So we have another tap here for washing hands. We have a dustbin down there. The bathroom, between 10 rating from 10, I'll give it a 4. I'll give it a 4. I won't even go too much because of many becauses, so I'll just give it a 4 out of 10. The bathroom. The bedroom, I'll give it at least a 7 out of 10. Guys, do you remember me doing a vlog that I'm putting water in a door, in a container, in a basin? Because this thing, once you put it on, it can bring hot water in the shower. Like you put it on like this. But the problem is, I don't know if this person, I don't know what he did, but once you open that thing and want to shower, either the water will burn you, or if you turn that here to like neutralize the water to be cold or warm, it is gonna be very cold. So it's either it becomes very hot or very cold, or you shower with a very little water. And that's why I'm just putting water inside here in the bucket, and then I shower with it, because I don't know what they did. See the connection up there? Like, this is horrible. This is something that this person needs to check on it. Like I said, that's why I said I'm giving this bathroom a 3 out of 10, because the toilet itself is not that good, and the bathroom, I don't like the bathroom. The shower, even the bath shower, I don't like it at all. And then you come here, we have another wash basin here for washing, cleaning the hands, and then you have another mirror here, but they don't have even a tar here. Like, they don't have a light here for when you want to see your face or do a makeup. You cannot even see anything you're doing. So, and then here is a kitamba, and then they have a very nice chair over here. It's a very nice one. So, and then you have also kitchen. As you can see, this is how it looks like. The curtain, like I told you, curtain is top. It's very, very beautiful. I love the curtains. And then here we have the tokens, where you can, not token, but yeah, how do you call it? Somewhere where you can just recharge your electricity, and then you can, like today we added 21, what do you call it, units or what? We added 21 things there for the steamer, for the light. So, and then we have a fridge here. So initially there was no cups up here. It was just a disinfectant and this flour. So this toothpaste, I'm the one who put it here because of my son. But this is a nice fridge, but it's very, very small. It's a very small fridge. So the house is for 3 people, so the fridge is okay. And then we have like sufuria. So when you wanna come here to cook, you get this sufuria. They are very, very strong. As you can see, that's how they look like down there. Someone who cleans them doesn't clean them well, because she's using like steelware to clean inside, and that's I don't like it at all. I don't find it in odd. No, I don't find it right. Anyway, you have a sufuria there, you have a pan there, so you have utensils over here, not too much, just 4 or 5 pieces of plates. And then we have, yeah, you have a thermos over here, you have a toaster, you have a water boiling jug, you have a coffee machine. You have to buy you have a dispenser here, but you have to buy your own water. Like we bought this one because we found this one which was here, it was not having enough water, and I don't know how long that water was, so we had to buy a new one and exchange. And then we also have here a cooking place. Never mind, because we are cooking right now, that's why it's a little bit dirty, but that's how it is. And yeah, gas is over there also, and that's also tiles which are beautiful in the kitchen. And yeah, the problem is also when we arrived here, the kabatis were very dirty. They were full of dust, very, very dusty, as you can see. And it's also like somehow falling down. You see, it's not even closing. And also here, so they're like old, you see, it's kind of old. So, and then here we have places of things which you need to clean the house. You can take, the broom is there, everything is there that you need to for cleaning the house. And then I'm gonna take you outside. You have a lock here. Always close your door down and up here for security purposes. You don't know, you can just close up here, and then someone might come inside the house and you don't know. So always make sure you close also down for your security purposes. Here we have balcony, and this balcony is so beautiful also. Here we put our shoes, you can put your dustbin, you hang our clothes here, and then there's washing machine. I'm also washing the clothes right now. This is the reason why I just moved to this place, because there was a washing machine. Because with these nails, I didn't want to wash clothes with my hands. So let's go to the sitting room and finish this vlog. This is how beautiful the sitting room is. It's very, very beautiful, guys. Like it's just okay, but it's beautiful. I cannot complain about the arrangement. So, and this is the dining. Normally it has 4 chairs, and 1 chair was almost kaput. It was bad. We almost fell down with 1 chair, so we had to put it back in the bedroom, where you saw 1 chair there in the bedroom. So that's how it is, with 4 chairs and the small table over here. This is the dining sector. And yeah, what can I say? It looks okay. So this is the dining sector. And then we have this side where people can sit and watch TV. And these are the sofa. The sofa is very comfy. So one person can also sleep there. Another person can sleep here. And then you have this African carpet, this Africa type of carpet. As you can see, it's okay. It's not my kind of carpet that I like, but it's okay. And then curtains, perfect. I love these curtains. And as you can see, you can also, when you want to close your curtain like this or open them, you can view outside also. If you want to see what's happening outside there, you can open the window and see what is happening outside there. So that's Nairobi for you. Like I said, this place is too far from the town. You have to connect twice to be in the town, so it's too far. Anyway, so like I said, I love the curtain so much. And then here we have the place where, like a office room. Office room is like an office space, not even office room. So here the biscuits were not there, the packets were not there. It was just this flower which was here, and yeah, and this star and this lamp, the light. So, and then you have a comfortable seat, you can sit here. And then, like I said before, in the bedroom, the thing that I did not like is the charging point. And it's the same thing I'm having over here. You see, it is very, very open. If you like, for example, I registered here with a kid, and look at the place. It's very, very open and dangerous. So these are the things this person needs to rectify. For example, if someone comes here with a kid, You don't deserve such things. So this is a small table. They put it here. I don't know if that table was supposed to be here in the middle, but there is no space, so they put it here in case people want to eat. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know if it was meant for TV, but then they put the TV up there. I don't know. But this is the TV. It's also okay. There's internet. There's Wi-Fi, at least, but the Wi-Fi is very, very slow. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not there. So, and then there's this kikapu for African decor, and the lights there, and the small curtains there for the door. I also like the curtains so much. And you also have the down padlock there for the door. And like I said, even here is still open, and I don't like it at all. This is very dangerous. So guys, this is their house tour. And I did not show you the ceiling. It's green, and I love the towers. I love these lights. It's so beautiful. I like it so much. So this is the house tour. And yeah, let me make a picture for my thumbnail so that people can see. Wow. So 20 euro per night or 22 euro per night. So you calculate with how many days you want to come. He can give you an offer. He's a very nice person. The owner of this house is a very understanding man and a woman. They are very, very nice. But those are the few things that just need to correct in this house, and the house would be awesome. And also add some cooking pots also, because sometimes you don't need just to have 3 cooking pots for the food to cook. You also have to at least have 4 of them or 5 of them, or even plates. So in case you have somebody is coming to your house, or maybe you have a friend. Normally you're not supposed to invite. You're not even supposed to do party here. I even forgot to show you the rules. You're not supposed to do party here. You're not supposed to smoke here. There's a smoke detector. I forgot to show you people. There's a smoke detector here. So those are the things that you need to watch out when you come to an Airbnb. Let me show you the rules of this house. So to hide the name of the apartment, but these are the house rules. No parties or events allowed, no smoking allowed, no pets allowed, do not eat or drink in the bedroom, only in the dining table, no unregistered guests allowed, do not rearrange the furniture, always clean the kitchen after use, make sure to turn off the lights after use, and electronics, no illegal activities allowed, no staining to the towels and sheets, and no removing the mattress cover. Please note, laundry is for use by guests staying for a long period, 14 days and above. So guys, I think we have come to the end of this video. I have showed you everywhere. I've shown you the things that I don't like the house itself. Like when you come inside here, the house is okay, and it's on first floor, and the balcony is also not those metals are also not they're not closed up. So it's a little bit insecure because, as you know, first floor and the balcony, they're still open. Someone can also jump in and get into your balcony. So that's the things that I don't like. The balcony is okay, but because of the metal is half, I don't like that. And then this these cables for charging ports, yeah, that's the thing I also don't like. And then the bathroom, like I said, I don't like it at all. And what else did I say I don't like? I think those are the things that I said I do not like. So anyway, if you wanna have this place is not that expensive. It's like 20 euro per night. Anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Nawapenda.